Ricardo. Yours is the balloon. Please go screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then this one, small tea Sammy mat. Small tea Sammy mat, 40 pesos. My center. My center, madam. Small tea Sammy mat, 40 pesos. My center, small tea Sammy mat, 40 pesos. Next, madam.
My center.
Then this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 40 pesos. Mine puti. Mine puti, madam. Medium for 40 pesos. Mine puti for only 40. Next, madam.
Mayan puti. Hello, Madam Leia. Good morning, Madam. Happy Friday, diha, Madam. Madam Leslie Gauson. Yours is the online, Madam Leslie. Please go screenshot, Madam. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Ara Tanya. Adam, this one daw, may pagka-cotton po ang kanyang tela up to semi-large. Up to semi-large, 40 pesos. Mine swerte. Don't go pa ni siya, basic outfit or casual. Mine swerte, up to medium to semi-large, 40. Swerte! Next time, Madam.
Mine swerte. Madam Crystal Salinas, yours is the center. Please go screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is not for only 60 pesos. Semi-med. Semi-med, madam. Mine heater. Mine heater, madam, for only 60 pesos. Mine heater, madam. Small tea semi-med. For only 60. Mine heater. Next, madam.
Mayan heater.
Madam Jane Lee, yours is si puti, madam. Please to screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large with 40 pesos. Mine butter. Mine butter, madam. Medium to semi-large with 40 pesos. Mine butter for only 40. Next, madam.
Mayan butter. Nagihapon, Madam Leia, ang atong Cebu City area, Madam Pin from UV Colon, gihapon, Madam Leia. Madam Leslie Gauson, yours is swerte. Please to screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Shine Marie. Adam, this one, go pa ni. Ato ang mga black dam ha, 40 pesos, pero very pretty, gihapon, Madam. Up to medium 40, mine camera. Malambot ang tela, nindot na siya kung fit sa inyo ha, Madam. Mine camera, up to medium 40. Camera, up to medium, for only 40 pesos. Ano bigay ko mo? CR?
Madam Jazzy Chan, yours is the heater. Please go screenshot, Madam Jazzy Chan. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is not for only 40 pesos. Small, madam. Small, madam. Mine creamy. Mine creamy, madam. Small, madam. 40 pesos. Mine creamy. Up to small, madam. 40. Creamy. Next, madam.
Mayan creamy.
Down this one, small to semi-med. Small to semi-med for 40 pesos. Mine ilaga. Mine ilaga, madam. Small to semi-med for 40 pesos. Mine ilaga for only 40.
Butter.
Next, madam.
Mayan ilaga.
Madam Corin Lee, your si butter, madam. Please go screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, madam.
Next, Madam. Okay, Madam Rina. Dam, ongoing po ang reply ni admin ngayon, Madam. Madam Rina and Madam Irene Elena. Sige lang, Madam, ako naugon si admin. Madam Rina, yes, Madam. Base yung SF po natin, Dam. Base po siya sa number of items. Pero yung discarded dyan, Dam, ha, pwede naman ipauna nyo yung 15 items. 165 ang SF. Tapos maiiwan ang isa. Tapos pwede niyong dagdagan, Madam, para ma-maximize nyo po ang SF. Kasi, for example, daw, for every 15 items, 165. Tapos, example, 18 items po yung namain nyo, Madam. Yung 3 items, equivalent din po yun sa 3 items na SF, Madam, which is 89. Okay, Madam. Next, Madam. Madam Leia, yours is the camera. Please go screenshot, Madam Leia. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, Madam, for only 60, ay kagwapa sa black, up to semi-large. Very nice ang tela, Madam. Semi-large, 40 pesos. Mine higher. Mine higher, semi-large, Madam, for only 40 pesos, Madam. Mine higher, semi-large. Next, Madam.
Mine higher. That is one medium. Medium, madam, for only 40 pesos. Mayan. Mayan. 5, 6. Mine 5-6, madam, up to medium. For only 40 pesos. Mine 5-6. Mine 5-6, medium, madam, 40. 5-6. Next time, madam.
Mine 5-6. Or down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large may 40 pesos. Mine talong. Mine talong, madam. Medium to semi-large may 40 pesos. Mine talong for only 40. Next.
Large po siya sa lalaki. Large po siya sa lalaki. May kabayo. May kabayo. Large po siya sa lalaki. For only 40 pesos. May kabayo. 40 pesos. Kabayo. Ay, higher.
SF boy.
Madam Teofe Desierdo, yours na si higher. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Second minor, Madam Jean Vito. Madam Irene, 5, 1 to 5. 129 po yung SF, madam. Oh, 129. Madam Jazzy Chan, yours na si Kabayo. Ay, joke. 5-6 to them, no, Madam Jane Lee, yours na si Kabayo. 5-6, yours na si 5-6, Madam Jane Lee. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Madam Jazzy Chan, yours na si Kabayo. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Second minor, Madam Georgette. Next, madam.
Madam, this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 40 pesos. Mine Simba. Mine Simba, madam. Medium for 40 pesos. Mine Simba for only 40. Next, madam.
Bayan Simba. Next, madam. Oh, that is now for only 60 pesos, madam. Large to XL. Large to XL, my and positive. My positive, large to XL for only 40 pesos. My positive, large to XL, 40 pesos. Mine cup. My and
Positive.
positive. Next number. Hello, Madam March Paradise. Good morning, madam.
Madam, this one, large. Large, madam, for 60 pesos. Mine Tigre. Mine Tigre, madam, large for 40 pesos. Mine Tigre for only 40. Next, madam.
Mayan Tigre.
Madam Crystal Salinas, yours na si Simba, madam. Please screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next, madam.
Next, madam. For only 40 pesos. Hello, madam. Myra Ibaben. Good morning, madam. Madam Myra, wala po tayong COD for outside Cebu minors, madam. Payment first po tayo sa items and SF, madam. Pero if kung Cebu City ka lang po, madam, available po ang ating COD na kaya ng ating Maxim Rider, pin from UV Colon to your address, Maxim rate po tayo, madam. Down this one, small piece,